Peeling.
What are you peeling right now?
I'm peeling the cut, the design that is cut.
Okay, so this is the design you put in the Cricut, right?
Yes.
And then
you finished.
you finished it?
So I'm now taking whatever I don't need out. And then the rest.
How do you even see?
Because there's a line. It's too close because maybe you are far. So it makes a line on it.
On it?
It makes a line. You
Yeah,
can
sorry.
see that the teeth of the cut.
Okay, I'm trying to like see if I can zoom it in. Okay, that might be better. Alright, here we go, guys. So just follow along. He made a little cut into one of the dents, and then now he's following the perforations, right?
Yeah.
So what, to just leave the letters, is that correct?
Yeah, like this, I'm just pulling because everything is cut, right? So when I pull, it's taking out everything.
Oh, it's already cut.
So it makes taking them out, and these words are bigger.
Okay.
So it's, if when I get to where the tiny words are, then I have to be extra.
I feel like it's shifting and shifting. Because it just looked like a plain white paper before. I don't think people were seeing what I'm starting to see. Right now it look like a rag situation happening, but the more you peel, I start to see the letters. Anyway, I zoomed in as much as I can, guys. As I could. Okay.
I think I started from the bottom of the words.
Okay.
So I needed like a place to start. So
I guess anywhere then.
yeah, you can start from any side. I always start
Doesn't
from
really matter.
something that is close to the edge, and then I take it from there.
Okay, so you guys, they're slowly starting to form the letters. Okay, because before I don't know what I was doing, but well, it's a process. Be patient. You will see letters soon, I promise. Because the vinyl is very sticky.
Yeah, and that helps too.
Patiently wait, guys.
I wanted to see. I didn't really measure the chest. I realized the chest, the front pocket. You see?
Pieces in the middle.
Yeah, because like
the letter
A,
O,
D, and these R, B. Those they always have like some things in the middle.
Do you guys see what's happening here? I'm trying to zoom in as much as possible. So you're taking out these little pieces. Wow. There's a lot of like little intricate details. Somebody is falling asleep. You can hear the mighty snow. Hey. Okay. Alright. I'm getting there, guys. D for David. Taking out the little middle so you can see.
And then this one. Slav.
Love. Oh.
The E.
The E and the O. Oh, V too?
Because this font style was different.
It's a fancy. Everything was like a white blank canvas, but now the letters are coming together. Can you imagine this is just for a design for one front of the t-shirt? Wow. The level of detail. Making these things. Customizing somebody's love message is something else.
Alright, last piece.
Yes, guys, you see, I painstakingly recorded the best way I could. Alright, so now can you... Oh, what else do you need to do?
I just have to put it on the shirt.
Well, I was going to say flip it up so my people can see what the message said. So this is supposed to say, family, where life begins and love never ends. So this is how we're making our family hoodies for everybody for Thanksgiving. And yeah, Mr. Boating is doing a good job. So this is what now this looks like.
Alright,
We're about to put it on the t-shirt. Okay, I'm following them on to the other station. What did you say this was called again?
This is the heat press.
The heat press. So we went from blank canvas
To the mat.
to the Cricut mat to that situation you saw with him taking out the letters and whatnot. Now we are on the heat press situation. Can you explain what's happening here?
So I have
Sorry, my boy has a cold. Sorry, babe. Your voice sounds like Mufasa being
So
killed.
anyway, this I'm actually just eyeballing it, but I have
Why does it feel like it's not?
no, because at this side I have so much waste.
Because I'm looking at
This side.
I'm gauging the pocket.
Yeah, so I'm saying this side.
Oh,
I
okay.
have to cut this side off. so that it's
okay.
even, because the letters are here. That is why it's seen like that. Because this has all this side waist.
Got it.
And then this is just close to the edge because the how we cut the
Or
body.
shouldn't you move it just slightly to the right? No, the other way. Because I was gauging by this part here. Yeah, I probably cut it off because my head is acting like it's lopsided. So you're trying to center it, like for this specific.
And I have a piece that I put to just make sure it's even.
Okay.
There's stuff there. I just don't.
He's been doing it for a while, so I guess he just knows.
Eyeball it.
Okay.
The shirts. And then normally, like 3 fingers down, 3, 4 fingers down from the neck.
Okay.
And then you'll be here.
You'll be good.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I can bring it a little
So
bit down.
you're not choking the family letter.
Yes. So, and then,
Okay.
and that's this.
That's good. All right.
So,
Okay. We are back. So right now in your hands, what do you have?
so this is the design I did on Cricut. And then wrote everything. Madam told me what we should put there.
Yes.
So I put there. Right. This is the design, the style, the text, the font. That
Okay, I'm recording.
Okay.
You're shifting it.
This is the
so
font size.
It's detecting it.
Okay, the font size, the design, the words that needs to be on the shirt for the family for Thanksgiving. So I did it. Actually, I have it on the laptop, but my phone was more handy, so I'm doing it from the phone. So
Okay.
right, so that is why this is on the phone. So after this, I send the image that I have designed from here to the Cricut machine. Right. I just put this one here just to support it to the Cricut machine. And this is the Cricut machine. We are going with a white words, so I put a white vinyl on this mat, place it here, and I use this to support it since our tables are all occupied.
Okay.
Right.
It's like a creativity situation.
We have to make it wedding code, improvise. So from here, we are about done. I just send the image from here,
Hang in
and then
there.
it goes there.
Guys,
So,
he has a cold.
yeah.
But he's making the family t-shirts.
So
God bless you. So now this gimbal only wants to look at your face. It doesn't want to change to look at the device. Oh, what is going on here? Exit gimbal mode, please. Now it's looking at me.
okay.
What is your problem?
So-
Look at the design.
But these are just the settings I have.
Wait, I gotta zoom in because your phone is kind of too small. And I'm trying to see if I can. Okay. You're getting someone. Can you
So-
tilt it up a bit because the lighting is not showing what you have? No, this way. Forward. Yeah.
And then I click next from here. I guess this would have been the best on the laptop.
No worry, I'll have you do it again on the laptop so I can get a proper screenshot of that. So what exactly is happening? I think
So
we got lost.
the phone is communicating with the machine. Now it's saying it's ready. I have to press on here for it to start. So I'm going to press
I
this.
can see.
Can you see now?
I see.
So if I press this blinking piece, it's
On the
going to-
Cricut?
yeah. If I press it, it's going to put the whole mat. It will push the whole mat inside.
Okay, so it looks like an arrow, up and
Yeah.
down arrow. So when you press it, it will
It's going to
push.
push the whole mat and it will start.
So this is the vinyl that is on the
And it's
cutting board. Right? What do you call the thing holding the vinyl?
the mat.
The mat. Okay.
All right. So the nurse is trying to say cut. So now it pushed it in. It calibrated. It's saying start to cut. If I click this, it's going to start moving. And this is to pause it, but I'm not pausing it.
Okay, guys, your thing is starting to cut. So you see how the Cricut is moving like a crazy Pokemon death. Whee! Mind you, this takes forever.
And this is the phone showing how the progress of the cut.
Okay.
And then we will wait till it's done.
So you're monitoring like the progress of the cutting from your phone.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So while the Cricut is cutting, we're going back to the other one that we did before
To keep
to
pressing.
hit press it. Okay.
And then we'll be done. But for now, we are going to cut everything and then
Then we'll come back
we
later.
keep them.
Okay.
All right.
Guys, I'm just showing you how the Cricut is cutting the vinyl that is on the mat, the Cricut mat. Is that called? Is that what it's called, babe? Okay. So like I said before, we put the vinyl on the Cricut mat, and George sent over the design from his phone to the Cricut machine to cut the design. So this is the process of it cutting, and you can track the progress of it on your phone. So once it does all this, the ultimate result you're going to get will be printed out on, you'll get this blank sheet of paper, but it has letters on it, and then you have to open it up like what he's doing, cleaning it up to see. Sorry, yeah, my friend is moving and like. Okay guys, so This is how the shirts came out. We did like a couple. So I'm just kind of zooming in so you can see. Oh, how did I end up in there? Is it me or is it you? Hey guys, we're back again, and this one's are for the little, our little princess. You can't even see it because it's so tiny. Princess Sabrina, the baby of the house.
I already break, like, you know.
I have to zoom in because it's so tiny, like from afar. Like you can look at how tiny babies are. You cover it with the thing, what do you call that again? Teflon sheet. You can't even see it. Oh God, we are making one for the little baby. Sabrina, your uncle is making you a nice, cute sweater. Let's hope it comes together. We did for the grown-ups, so now the little babies. I'm even excited to see how that's going to come out.
Yeah, like Madame Sabrina.
Alright. Well, I guess we'll know the actual final hour when we remove it. Oh, look at how tiny. Oh God. Alright, we'll remove the plastic layer and see what the final thing. Hold it up so you can see, because on the thing, you can really tell how tiny it is. Isn't that so small? Oh, pure baby. Your uncle is doing you proud.
Alright, I'm going to move to the next piece.
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yes. I'm waiting for the next piece.
Dry up a bit.
Yeah, so we leave it here to dry up a bit. We have one for Uncle, or Cousin Sammy.
Oh, this is Sabrina.
Oh,
this is Robin, actually.
Oh, yeah. And now we're doing the sisters on. We did everything for the grown-ups, so now we're doing the little kids, the cousins. And they are on the tinier side. And once again, your uncle's doing precision. Okay. Teflon paper. We're about to put you on top.
Yep.
So we don't burn this beautiful shirt. Okay. Robin, your own is coming. It's so satisfying when you finish each person in, you know, hoodie in the family. It's just like, yay, mission accomplished. Once again, I'm just zooming in close for those people that didn't watch the beginning part. So temperature 400, we go up to 15, and we just yank this baby out. And yeah, look at that steam. You just have to be very careful when you are removing the shirt because the burn is for real. But
Yep.
Mr. Boateng is like a professional at this point, so I'm sure he's been burnt before.
Yeah. Few times. Even today.
You learn your lesson, babe?
Yeah.
When that heat touch you, you know.
Like, yep.
You know. Oh, and our Princess Betty. We is about to get yours done. We're about to get yours done. Don't speak like your auntie. Your auntie's speaking broken English. I just caught myself because I figured you're going to be watching this someday. We are about to make your own Betty. Yes. Otherwise, your grandma will come after me for speaking terrible English. Alright, so yours is about to be created, Betty. I can't wait to see all the kids in them. It's going to be so exciting. We got one more.
Last one.
Yes. For our handsome Sammy. And then we'll be good to go, guys. Thank you for watching every single step of the way of this video. It's probably gonna be long. Most of it is all repetitive, but this is in case you want to learn how to make your own hoodies. You just buy all the equipment that we mentioned. We've done it multiple times for you to be able to see and try it out without burning yourself and causing havoc to your soul, your beautiful body. All right, and the final one. Yay, drum roll, drum roll. It's been a process.
Yep.
I'm glad we had all the other ones done, and yeah, we're wrapping it up. Sammy, the king of the jungle. We are creating one for you. The gamer in the family. A lover of stars, the moon, the stars, and the sun. You gotta create your own hoodie. Your uncle is doing some precision stuff right here. He's trying to make sure everything is aligned. This hoodie was made with love. Love and precision. Alright, getting there, we're getting there. That's the final one. Again, sometimes you just gotta take your time and make sure that you are positioning it well, because it has to look good. Last one, we're counting down the seconds on the clock. But we're gonna go up to 15 seconds and we'll just leave them to cool off. Yes, it's time. And then you're just gonna yank them out.
Oh, yeah, we are done.
Yay, voila.
Finally.
Finally, baby, finally.
Yep, we are done.
Guys, we are so tired, but yes, finally. It is finished.
Yep.
Hey,
5 here and 8 there.
you can see your girl is mad wretched. I had to pull up my head, pull it down, because for a moment I was shocking even myself. You know when you're tired. But you see behind me, over here, we have a slew of shirts for the family. And here, my beloved George, the creator, all these beautiful shirts. He's laying them down. It's been a process, a beautiful one. And we have everybody's shirt for Thanksgiving family get together. This is gonna be fun. How do you feel, Mr. Boateng?
Fine.
Look over here.
It's all done.
Give us a heart. Good
Yep.
job, babe. Good job. That was amazing.
It's all done.
You did well.
Everybody got it.
Yeah, so now he's peeling the one for the kids, because those were the only ones we hadn't completed. And yeah, you get to see the peeling process. This was made with love. It looks like it wasn't a lot of time, but I had to be stopping on and off. I've made so many videos. Guys, that's so funny.
But every process was
Yeah.
different.
Yeah.
Time-consuming.
And shout out to my sister-in-law, Rosta. She wanted us to document the process. So this is for you, sis. To just show you all these were made with love. And this is for all the family members that get to wear these shirts with love, hug, and play. Can't wait to see everybody.
Yeah.
This Thanksgiving is going to be beautiful.
We are done.
Yeah.
I'm still recording.
Yeah, I was just watching what you were doing. Yeah, but we are done, guys. Bye.
Yeah.
Da-da-da-da. We got our final hoodie shirts for the family done, guys. Look at that. And the ones with the little babies, you could see. And this was all made with love. Made with love, guys, for our Thanksgiving fellowship celebration with the family. Our own little way, through the creativity of my husband George Boateng, to show the family that everybody is loved and truly appreciated. Babe, good job. This is very nice and thoughtful.